In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a post to the top of your Facebook business page. Pinning a post is a simple but powerful way to make sure the most important information on your page is always the first thing people see. This is perfect for announcements, promotions, updated business hours, or anything you want to highlight for visitors and customers. First, open Facebook and go to your business page. Make sure you're logged into the account that has admin or editor access to that page. Otherwise, you won't see the options you need. You can find your page by clicking on your profile picture or the menu, then selecting your business page from the list. Once the page loads, scroll down to the main feed where all your posts appear. Next, find the specific post that you want to pin. This could be a recent update, a special offer, or a general welcome message. Take a moment to double check that the content is up to date and looks exactly how you want it, because this post will be featured at the very top of your page. When you found the post, look to the top right corner of that post. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal dots. This is usually called the More or Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with several actions you can take on that post. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Pin Post. The wording may be something very similar, but it will clearly mention pinning. Go ahead and click on Pin Post. Facebook will instantly move that post to the top of your page's timeline. Once it's pinned, visitors who come to your business page will see that post first, above all your other, more recent posts. Some layouts may also show a small label indicating that the post is pinned. If you refresh your page and scroll to the top of your feed, you should see it sitting right there, fixed in place. You can change this at any time by going back to the same post, clicking the 3 dots again, and choosing the option to unpin or pin a different post instead. Only one post can be pinned at a time, so pinning a new one will automatically replace the previous pinned post, and that's all you need to do. By pinning a post, you take better control of what people notice first on your Facebook business page, helping you communicate clearly and consistently with your audience.